Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Datalist. So today what we're going to be getting into is number formatting, and I'm going to add a couple things that we went over last video when we talked about clearing formatting. There's something I want you to be careful of. So I'm going to remove my ugly mug from this and let's get into it. So we're going to be talking about number formatting today. For the most part, we're going to be using this part of the ribbon right here. So as we look at our quarters and our data, we notice this should be in currency, but it's kind of all over the place. Here we have 2 decimals, there's 3 decimals here. And so what we need to do is we need to format these numbers so that it reflects currency. So let's do, let's select this whole data set. We can hit that dollar symbol, but let's go to general for now because we can take a look at all the different options it has. So we can hit accounting. Let's do that. But this isn't really what we want. So what happens is it applies a dollar symbol to everything, but then you'll notice that there's extra spaces in between here. So don't be sure not to mix currency formatting with accounting formatting. It will cause problems when you try to do calculations and sorting and filtering. So let's go back up here and let's just select the currency. Now that looks much cleaner. So what we're going to do next is we're going to be talking about percentages and dates. So let's go ahead and write 5 and select that cell and let's make that a percentage right there. So 100%. So now I don't want 500%. I want 5%. So let's put 5 and then a percent. So it automatically will keep it a percentage here. So you don't need to write, even if I do that, if I write 0.05, enter, and tell Excel that I want a percent, it goes right to 5%. So now let's get rid of these dates here for a moment, and let's talk, those percentages for a moment, and let's talk about dates. So Excel will automatically know that it's a date if I enter it in like a date. So if I hit January 5th, 2020, there you go. And it takes it as a date. Now, what's important to remember here is I talked about being careful when using the clear function. So let's say that let's clear this format. Clear format. Okay, now they're just numbers again. So guys, be careful because when you clear the formats or when you clear contents, and that's a different one also, let's put that back. So let's say 6/7 of 2021. Okay, and there we go. Excel knows I want it as a date. So let's clear, and let's clear the contents. But now notice it did not clear the format. So if I type in 1, hit enter, it says January 1st of 1900. So remember that clearing the contents is not the same as clearing the formats. So be careful with this, you guys, because if you enter something in that you think is a general number and Excel recognizes it as a date because that's how it was formatted before, again, you're going to run into problems, and I don't want that for you. You guys are ninjas. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.